Well, hello there again, traders. This is Art Dill for FuturesTradingCompany.net and a recap of our trading for August 2nd, 2012. As you can see from our recap, we had a very good day. I went 10 and 4 on the E-mini Dow for 130 points, and then we took a S&P trade. We were 1 and 0 on the S&P. That was a trigger short that we took for a total of 2.5 ES points, equivalent to 25 Dow points. So total gain today, 11 and 4, 155. These are the trades we took today. As you can see, I had 4 trades pre-market, and one was a home run, 52 points. I had 4 losing trades today. Interestingly, 2 of the 4 were were not trigger trades. One of the losing trades was a breakdown loss, and then one was a breakout long. And so 2 out of the 4 losing trades were not trigger trades. I only had 2 trades that I took that were trigger entries that were ended up being losing trades today. So a very nice trading day, 11 and 4, an equivalent of 155 Dow points. And I'll go over a few of these pre-opening trades. Of course, we had the initial claims that were released at 5:30, and they were actually not horrible, but still not good. And then the market really did start to sell off. After a little rally here, we came down, put in a pivot low, rallied up off of that, then came back to the pivot. I had triggers firing off here, so we took the break of the pivot at 12,889 was our entry. We took one off at 882, 874, and our final target was 859, which we reached, and that was a nice 52-point gain. This was my second pre-market trade. It was a short at 12,850. We got 12,842, 835, and 845 was where I exited that. So that was another nice pre-market gain, 27 points. And this was our third pre-market trade, again after a little bit of a retracement to the 89 EMA, a rollover, and a trigger. That is one of my favorite setups. And that was good for a total of 18 points on 3 contracts. And here's the last pre-market trade we took. And this was very close to the open. And I normally don't do this, but I had 3 fabulous trades. We came down here, put in a little pivot, and then started to fall again. So I took the break here at 12,929. Took one off at 922. Then I took one off at 924, and the other one off at 929. So a total of plus 12 points. Had I not been running a trading room, I will tell you, in all likelihood, I would have packed it in and gone out and played a round of golf today. I also today put up a couple of the live trades that we took. The one live S&P trade. Let me show you where that was. And here we go. That was like at 7:02, 7:03 in the morning. here on the Pacific Coast, and it was after a run up here on the ES, and it was a trigger entry. There was our trigger bar. The low was 1362.75, and after we penetrated that low, I was able to get in at that price, 1362.75. That was my entry, and I got 2 targets. So the trigger I developed here for the indexes works on any index. It works on the ES, it works on the YM, obviously. It'll work on the NASDAQ, and it works on the Russell. I have also used it to trade the bonds. It works very well on bonds. Tomorrow, of course, Friday, August 3rd, we have the much anticipated huge jobs report. So I'm expecting another pretty volatile day tomorrow, and typically volatility for us is good. Have a great night, everyone. Again, for FuturesTradingCompany.net, this is Art Dill, Trading to Win.